discuss on some comparison between magnetic and electrical circuits. So there are some similarities first. So let us have a discussion on the similarities with magnetic current and electrical current. So normally in magnetic circuits we have flux equals to the formula for calculating the flux will be mmf upon reluctance, and this flux is analogous to current in electric circuits. So where current we need to calculate the current, we have emf upon resistance. emf upon resistance. So this is the first similarity we will come across in magnetic and electrical circuits. So we are once again I repeat, we are discussing the similarities in magnetic current and electric current, or magnetic circuits and electric circuits. So second one, mmf, magnetomotive force. So here we will call as mmf in magnetic current or magnetic circuits, where the unit for calculating mmf will be ampere turns, right? And in electric circuits or electric current block, we have emf equals to volts. The unit for calculating emf will be volts. Third one, the third part or third point, what we can say, we have the flux. Unit of flux is, the Greek letter indicates the unit of flux, and the symbol for flux and the unit of flux is Weber. Okay, so Weber. So this okay, so Webers. And here in electric circuits we have the third point. So the flux will be very similar to current. So current equals to I. The symbol for calculating current or symbol for current is I, and the unit for I is amperes, as you know. Okay, so amperes. And next, the fourth part, we have flux density. The flux density okay, so the flux density in magnetic circuit part, and in electric circuit part we have current density. Where the unit for flux density equals to B Weber per square meter, or you can call it as Weber per meter square actually, right? So this is flux density, and for current density we have ampere per square meters or meter square. Okay, so this is the fourth one. And the fifth similarity with the magnetic and electric circuits, we have reluctance in magnetic circuit. As I have so reluctance we have discussed in detail in the previous classes. So for reluctance, we have the reluctance will be denoted with the letter S, and this S is equal to L upon, so this L is equal to L upon mu A, or we can write it as L upon mu naught mu R into A actually. So this is for the formula for calculating the reluctance. And here for calculating electric the reluctance in electric circuits part, we have resistance. As resistance is very much analogous to reluctance in magnetic circuits, so resistance equals to R. The symbol for resistance, or the letter denotes, letter R denotes the resistance. So this resistance equals to rho L upon A. The formula for calculate the perfect formula calculating the resistance, rho L upon A. Okay, so these are the 5 points, and let us discuss the further points now. Few more points actually. So in magnetic circuit, what we have discussed is the flux MMF, magnetic flux, flux, magnetomotive force, then flux, the unit of flux, flux density, and reluctance, and the next one we have permeance. Okay, permeance equals to, so let it, I'll keep the formula blank. So later on I'll write the similarity for electrical circuit. So permeance is very analogous, very much analogous to or more similar to conductance in electrical circuit. Okay. So this is the conductance. So the formula for calculating conductance equals to inverse of resistance. Conductance is inverse of resistance, and here permeance is inverse of reluctance. Inverse of reluctance. The next one we have reluctivity. So reluctivity here equals to mu naught mu r A. Okay, so this is reluctivity, and here we have resistance. Resistivity. Okay, so resistivity and reluctivity, right? And finally the 8th most point we have permeability. Permeability in magnetic current, or what we can say magnetic circuit, we have permeability, and here we have conductivity. The formula for calculating permeability will be, it is the inverse of reluctivity. Inverse of reluctivity, reciprocal. Okay, because 1 upon what the value of reluctivity will be, that if you calculate you will get the value for permeability, and for conductivity calculating, it's 1 upon resistivity. Okay. Resistivity, right friends? So these are the most similarities we come across in magnetic and electric circuit. So almost there the current resembles what the current in electric circuit is very much analogous to what we can say flux. It resembles the flux. So these are the most important similarities in magnetic and electric circuits. So these points, if you keep in mind, it will be most helpful in calculating some problems and matching them to electrical quantities. Okay, thank you.